Okay, everyone, I'm back jamming with blues. This is Shirley again, and I said that just in case I don't show the clip and actually put on everything here, which you see I have my Beachy King shawl on, okay, that I made for the month of August. I do like it. And I'm going to show you all the things that I am working on. I haven't found a project for August as for September as of yet. So what I'm doing is, I had to take this off. It's a little warm. Okay. So what I'm working on right now, if you guys remember, I had started a hat. I was going to start a hat. Well, this is try two. And this is with the Red Heart Soft yarn, and the color is watercolors. Okay, this is my second try. The first one is right here, where you see this mistake here. Okay, there's a point in your knitting and crocheting when you stop saying, well, maybe it'll turn out okay anyway. Please, 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 I learned it don't turn out. Pull it out before you do even this much work. Your problem was, let me tell you the problem. The problem was is that I hadn't worked with such colorful yarn, so it was tricking my eyes. And so, honestly, I didn't know what I was doing. You know, I thought I was purling, and I should have been knitting, and then I couldn't, for some reason, I couldn't get the gap on the closure together. But look at this. There was a point where I said, look, well, how can you explain that? You know, I was thinking, oh, if I was good enough, I can just take that one section all the way across and make it a some type of plant detail in the hat. But I'm not there yet, see? So when you're not there yet, when you make mistakes like that, or you can't close it up, take it out. So I have to reattach this yarn later, and I have started over. Now my little ice cream, you guys know I got my eyes and all that stuff, and I was so happy. Yeah, there you go. I even put a smile right there so I know where to stitch it at with that fabric pins. Well, when I'm working on the body, and I'm thinking, I don't think these two gonna fit. This look a lot bigger than that. Okay, a whole lot bigger. So I need to go down a little bit on my ice cream, or make a larger one of these. I'm going to continue, and hopefully I'll end up making two that match. But anyway, that ice cream is a little bit too big for this comb. So that's another thing. Now, today I did a few items. I had a doctor appointment. I have to constantly have my blood pressure checked because I'm having a little blood pressure issues. And after I left there, I went to my favorite store, which is Sprouts. I hope the glare is not too bad. And Starry Hilder, I don't know if she go by that. She just recently got a divorce. I love sweets. Okay, I like ice cream things, and I have been doing really good not eating it, but I have someone who enables me to eat a lot of sugar, and it's killing me. Okay, so, and then, you know, once you start it, it's addictive. So she was telling us about this here. It's called monk fruit. It's a sweetener, and it's zero glycemic, and, you know, all the other stuff. Nowadays, everything has is gluten-free, which is funny. I've seen something you don't even eat and it say gluten-free, so I guess gluten can go through your skin. I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to try that, and hopefully I can bring that sugar craving back down. And it's not supposed to, she tells how sugar buildup in your liver. I think it's your liver, and why so many people have liver issues and things like that because of the sugar. So that's another reason why I wanted to try this. Okay, now that was my first stop from the doctor. My second, after I left the doctor, I went to the secondhand store. And I purchased this item here, which I'm going to show you what I'm working on, which is that top. This is the bottom part of the top. Okay, you guys can see that? That is the bottom part of the top that I'm working on. Now I'm making it, I had to change it because if you can see up here, I'm going to come up really close. You see those stitches right there? Right here at the first row? They are so small. I'm thinking, there is no way I'm going to be able to, oh, no. So I changed to a larger needle. I think I'm working with a size maybe 5.5, because this, I think this was like a 3 or something right here, these stitches. But anyway, this is go on your waist. It goes right up under your chest, this part here, and then this is the bottom here. So we'll see how, what's scaring me is the top part because it somehow have to be fitted. Let's see how that's going to turn out, but so far it looks good. And as I was saying, displaying my little top, is I purchased this item from the secondhand store, which was my second stop from the doctor's office. And it's, I think it would go connect to a chair or go over a door. It has these little handles here, and I really think it would, you know, it's normally on the back of a chair like that. Okay, and I thought, well, this would be great to show off like that item, or put the tops on until I get a, what do you call it, until I get a mannequin. First I gotta find room. I really gotta get rid of some stuff. And this was $2.99. Trust me, it says $2.99. $2.99. Okay. And I thought that would be good to work with far as displaying items like my scarf. And the other item, which is my, I don't know how well that's going to work. It would be best if I had that on before I started the video. But since I'm showing how both of them work, and it was only $2.99, and if you can't afford a mannequin, this might be a possibility. This is almost like something that Jan showed that on Scraptastic that her husband made with and it goes out. There we go. Okay, you guys see that? Okay, I guess I could hold it right here. There. So that's how my top came out, except for, this is putting me to sleep. Just blocked and everything. It was just putting these on. And this one is on. It is just killing me, you guys. So boring. Anyway, I thought that would be good to display items. You know, if I had something to latch it on, would be great. But I don't, so. Fake mannequin. How's that? Display. Okay. Now, what else am I working on? So I showed you the ice cream. I showed you the hat. Okay. The next item that I'm working on is this. I had frogged my other little wrap like that I made long time ago, but I kept the center part, and so I'm making a little skirt, I guess you call it. I'm putting red on it for a little small tree, And I'm going to try to make some curly curls or make it ruffled up, if that's what you call it. And this is the yarn that I'm using. My daughter gave me 2 balls of this yarn. One of her friends, mom or someone, had this yarn. So yeah, I thought I would do that. Now, after I left the secondhand store, I had to go to dollar store because I love these chips that they have. They're really good. These sweet potato chips. And I got 2 of these. And I thought, you know what? I am going to try it. And I found some more of that orange yarn that I didn't think I had for the ice cream. Now I can put that on it. Or I can put what I was using for the cone on it. Let's see back there. I think the orange, but see, it looked like it had, this looks like burgundy to me. Right here. And I don't have that color. But I think the orange would work better. So I'm going to work on that. That's another in-between project. And the last thing that I want to share, because Rose asked me, was I going to do, I want to share some items that I reuse or recycle. And I really don't have a lot of stuff because I like tearing up stuff and banging it, and that's just me, okay? Some things I do, they're very small, okay? And don't laugh. Okay, you could laugh because it is really funny. Now, you guys know, a long time ago, I purchased this hat holder from Wish.com. Nobody's head is shaped like that, okay? It just doesn't work. And then I filled it and put a bag over it, and it just looks so ridiculous. But if we want to go on to more ridiculousness, but it worked, is, I don't know if you can see over here on my refrigerator, I have right here a number 5 days. And what that mean to me is that in 5 days, oh shoot, I broke this. I just recently broke this. I hope it don't fall. In 5 days, I have to throw it out. If I find something that I'm not using, or I'm trying to get rid of something, 5 days, I have to get rid of it. And so I was almost on my 5th day. I'm a hoarder, no, I'm just kidding. I had to get rid of this. I've had this for years, and sometimes you want to upgrade or you just want to get rid of stuff. And I thought it was so cute, and you know, but it's time to get rid of it. You know, you need to get rid of it. So around the last day, I know what I can do with it. What did that look like? It looked like a head, okay? And a mug that I had from the dollar store. And a hat that I made. And I'm thinking about doing a little face on the opposite side of this. I don't know. Or I may do some type of paint over the item. So I don't have to try my hats on anymore, you guys. It's the perfect size. Okay? That is the perfect size. So like, okay. And if I wanted to set it up to show you guys for video. But if I wanted to set it up, it actually do sit in this cup pretty good. Can you see that? Because the stem holds it. So that is one of my repurposed, reused items. The other one is that when I had work done in the bathroom, or the owner had work done in the bathroom, they gave me a new vanity. Well, it didn't have a toilet hole roller. So you either have to sit it on the back of the toilet paper, sit on the back of the toilet, or sit it somewhere else. And that brings me to my second repurposed item, which is this here. If you guys know what this is a old CD holder. I don't even know if they make them anymore. This fits perfectly on there if you don't have one. That is what I do with that. With the top part of it, I have all my pom-pom makers in this part. That is my reuse, recycle. Oh, except for one more thing. Almost forgot. How can you forget? You guys, this thing here, which closes in my top that I'm working on, that I just recently, that I just showed you guys. Well, I have to be able to display that, and I don't know what I did with the other clip that quick. Okay, here we go. So we use all this for there, and I use it to show you guys that. And that is from a hanger. I always ask for the hanger when I buy clothes, and I use it for chips and everything else. I never buy a cute little chip thing. So yeah, that is the end of it. That is the end of this video, and I'm hoping, and I'm sending my prayers out to E. I love you. I don't know